Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to look at this Rain X windshield repair kit that I picked up. And we're going to see just how well this thing's going to work. The other day, I got a pretty good chip going on there, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to repair that, but we're going to find out. It doesn't hurt to try. The worst it can do is just keep on cracking. It's going to be one of those packages. Nope, opens up really easy. Alright, so I don't want to dirty the suction cup apparatus. And that's the other parts. Going over the instructions, looks pretty straightforward. You got your little sheets right here. There's a razor blade underneath everything in the brown. Hopefully that works. First thing I need is a little razor blade. So you want to take the razor blade, came with the kit, and you want to clean out the crack. As you can see, digging it out there. There's lots in there. Now the next thing you want to do is take this and center it over top of the crack. Got her in. Now we need to screw the resin port inside. So this part here, you want to turn it in enough that the rubber touches the glass and you can still see a hole for the opening. So this is the resin. It says 3 to 6 drops. I got a pretty big gap there, so let's go with 4 and see. Oops. So now I'm going to take the plunger, start threading that in, and if it starts to leak, we need to tighten up the bottom piece, but let's just get that in out there. Try to get in there, but looks like we're good. That's got to sit on the window for about 5 minutes, unthread it, and repeat. Now typically you would unscrew this for the air and then put it back in, but I need to add some more resin because I don't seem to get enough in the hole. So I'm going to add some more. Whoops. And then thread this back in. And then I let it set up again for another 4 to 6 minutes. So now you see these curing strips. That's what they call them. I need to carefully back this piece off, lift the suction cups out, pull it off, and then put one of those curing strips on. And then I got one of these UV lights because there's no sunlight that I'm going to use to dry it off. Now, see what happens. Okay. Grab my razor blade there. Throw the curing strip on it, as such. This is by far the most painful part since there's no sunlight. So now resin's pretty hard, all right. There we go. Scraping off the extra shit. So there we are, the finished job. The only thing that's left is the crater from the rock, which was pretty deep, but all the cracks are filled in. Time will tell to see if this is going to work or not. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.